Hello student, welcome to Genius Print. This is Tushar, and today I am going to tell you when this, that means board exams will be conducted and date, that means appeared or not, and all of you have seen in this thumbnail that when this date will that means announced. Okay, so before I begin, I will request all of you please subscribe our channels and hit the bell icon so that you can get this entire notification from our channels. Okay, so let's start. So sometimes earlier our Union Minister Sri Ramesh Pokhriyal ji said that when our exams will be conducted, they will inform us. That means this announcement date is fixed. Announcement date is fixed. Okay, when they will announce the exam date. Okay, so he told that on 31st of December. 31st December he will announce when will be the exam will be conducted. Okay, so 31st of December you have to wait to see this exam date exactly. That means whether it is extended or not. In our earlier video we also already told that the exams can be conducted after this February month because at that time Ramesh Pokhriyal ji sir told us about this. So now that means sometimes earlier he tweeted and told that 31st of December at 6 p.m. Okay, time is at 6 p.m. You have to keep in mind at 6 p.m. he will again tweet, or he will that means announce that when our CBSE board exam, that is 2021, will be conducted. Okay, so I think that's a very important news for all of you, because those who are student and giving this that means preparing for this board exams are already in a very tension mode. Okay, so I will that means appeared here to know, that means inform you that the announced date, that means announcement of this date is already that was mentioned, and it is 31st of December, and at that times at 6 p.m. our Union Ministers will that means will say that when these board exams will be conducted, and at that times I am sure he will announce this exact date of board examination. But another thing is that coronavirus second strain is also appeared. That's a very much dangerous as the previous one. So all of you have to that means stay in your home and study well, because if you that means infected by this disease now, so it's a very that means harmful for you. So please all of you stay homes and prepare yourself. Okay, so here the announcement is that he told that he will announce the date when the exams will be conducted. Okay, so student, please subscribe our channel to know this all the that means informations. Okay, so please stay with us and subscribe our channels and hit the bell icon to get these things. Okay, so in this video I am going to finish by saying that things, and we will appear again by taking another video. Okay, so like and share it with your friends. Thank you.